What are you doing, Pete?
So today we're making pizzelles, anise pizzelles. It smells wonderful in here. For those of you that know what anise smells like, it is just wonderful. And there we have it. So now there's our batter ready to go. And we'll just get these things out of our way. And what we're going to do next is plug in our pizzelle maker, which is right here. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is a pizzelle maker, okay? And it's the easy kind because it's electric and it is non-stick on the inside, okay? So we're going to plug in our pizzelle maker and let this heat up. And when it gets to temp, then we'll be able to start to make our pizzelles today. We're making pizzelles, everyone, and here we go. Now we're turned on. Let's heat it up. Okay, so the pizzelles are interesting because they're from Italy and they're made mostly 12 months out of the year, but for Christmas time, this is a big deal because this is a very nice cookie. Okay, and that's what it is. It is a cookie. And you can put different, whatever you like in here, different flavorings. I put in anise today. You could put almond, you could put orange, you could put cherry, whatever you like. Although, we'll be right back, and this is Pete out.